design a tool for this. I try to learn the model number of name, but I not found on Google because this is not my routine work. This is just my amplifier board, and I am removing this connector. I can call connector, and if you know about what the model number and what we can call, I'm just removing this connector. So I decide, why not uh, design a tool to share with you. Okay, first, very difficult, very easy thing, we have a desoldering wick. So I am using here to try on this, because this is the flexible. I am trying on this in live stream, and this is not my routine pairing work. Okay, I am trying to design. If I found some flaw in this, so I need to reject this method. But if I found a true way, I need to work on this. I'm cutting this. Okay. This is little micro work. I'm just trying in live stream, and I am also working in live stream because I have no time to edit the video and cut the extra part and upload. So I am also working live, but I think this thing is not good because we can melt or plastic or material, so we need to design with another conductor, also like solid wire. Yes, but for this we need to select the 23 AWG wire, solid wire. So here I have solid wires in this wire, so I am removing just one wire for this. To remove this connector, I can call connector because I don't know about this is not using an inverter, so I don't know about what name we can call, but I have a knowledge to remove without damaging. And I'm trying, I'm just removing a wire. Okay, let's design. Very easy. First, just bend. You can bend first time with fluke. Okay. And after that, but remove the power first. Okay, and discharge all the capacitors. And after that, okay, with this, okay, I measure, and now I am bending here. It's okay. And this is simple, not difficult. Okay, little I need to decrease. Yes, my English is not good, but I am also sharing the true knowledge with you. If you like, and if you found a true result, you can use. That's okay. Cut the extra piece. Okay, now just cut the extra conductor to try. Little, my hand is little shaking today because I am not good. So I am working in my amplifier. It's okay, extra pieces we need to mark first and cut later. You can mark and you can cut with your own knowledge. Marker, wow. I need to get another color marker. We have a very big knowledge in markers. Also use blue color marker. The blue color is very good for marking. Where I keep my blue color marker to mark. Little difficult because the bench is not clean. And also keep your bench clean, but today I am not feeling good. Okay, here I found a blue color sharp marker to first mark on this. Okay, and here it's okay. Now cut the extra. Okay. I'm attaching and I'm trying to remove this connector safely. Okay, first set and check if here you have a component. First provide safety with paper tape. Okay. And now I'm providing solder, and I have a C21 soldering station handle, and I need to set first the 350 degrees centigrades. Okay, now I am applying solders. First I need to provide little here to hold this metal little shacked, but don't worry about to just hold the conductor. What is this? This is just my Class D digital audio amplifier circuit. TPA 31 3110. Yes. Provide solder. Don't worry about the prints, but you need to worry about the PCB and connector. If you want to use this connector again, so you need to remove this with knowledge, not with force or hot air. Okay, I provide here solder. And now let's remove. Okay, here I am providing heat, so I need to set my soldering station on 380. I set on 380 and I have no holder for this because I am not working on micro boards, so I am providing a tape to hold the board first, and another board is my board. I kept on this because the first board is my board and I can damage because this is also I purchase in scrap. Okay, here I'm providing more tape to hold better first. Okay, I attach this with the big board. Okay, and now I am trying to provide a heat at a time to all these fins. Okay. First I need to melt the solder. In melt condition I can remove safely. This is the live exam. Okay, hold in this and try here and here. White heat about the contact. Little bit of this. First I provide before this live hot air, but when I know about this, the connector material is melting, so I think about why not try. Okay, just remove. Okay, what about the PCB prints? Okay, first I am removing the extra solder with. No, but this is not good. Then I need to use the desoldering wick first to remove the extra solders with desoldering wick. Okay, some I collect. Now I am trying on this more extra solder. Okay. Clean the PCB first to know about my method is good or not to remove this type of connectors. Okay. For best result, I am using here a C-type tip in this C24. C245, yes, C245. This is another size handle and tips. Okay, wait for this to hit up. Okay, heated, and now apply a new, not use desoldering wick to remove the extra solder. This is the C tip I am using now. And I already have a soldering plugs in this desoldering wick because this is the quality desoldering wick. Okay, what about clean this with cotton swab? You can clean with alcohol and you can clean with the retarder. The retarder is also we have low price to purchase. No any print or damage. And if you want to more clean, you need to use more desoldering wick to clean. And here I have some liquid. I make this liquid with my own experience and knowledge. In this liquid we have a solid soldering flux and thinner 2K thinner I apply to clean more, to collect more solder from this PCB. Do not use the sharp tip. You need to have a quality tip to move like this, and do not touch the soldering tip with PCB without desoldering wick. Okay, I get some more solder later. Okay, now clean. What result do we have for this operation? any print damage. Here we have little confusion. What is this? I think this is just little green mask remove from PCB. I think no any print or damage. As you can see, this is the same line parallel. 6 pads we have here and 6 pads, 6, 5 and 3 8 pads we have with this connection and 2 we have in this. And why I removed this connector, to know about the pads. So we have just 3 connections, 1 2 3, and I need to provide here auxiliary input because just check, I'm showing you a very unique sound system. Just check the old gadgets. This is the Bossy or Bose. Here we have IR sensor to next the track with the remote control. Here we have a very beautiful PCB and some data. Just check. And here we have another PCB, and I need to provide here auxiliary input because a Bluetooth cannot provide the true frequency to this device. Why they not use the Bluetooth in this device? You cannot receive the true frequency with Bluetooth. You can receive the true frequency with auxiliary input when you are searching on some frequency. BSS layer MHO, brother, I not understand what you want to say. We can call this connector MHO. It's okay. What about the connector? Let's check. First I need to have get user to remove the extra solder and the tool we design. What the status of the strip? Okay, for this I need to melt little here on this paper tab to remove the solders first. Check the connector status. Okay, little force apply. Okay, melt this. That's okay. I disconnected. Stop, man, stop. Okay, I disconnected, and now I need to use one more tweezer to hold the connector. Okay, I need to remove this with this tweezer to know about what the status we have for this component. Okay, keep here and provide some green color here to know about no any pin damage. Okay, and if you want to clean with, and I can use this connector again for this because we have a true health or true status. This is just the soldering plugs we have like this. Why not clean, man? Just little clean. Okay, I am cleaning. I am working now on true frequency, so I have also Bluetooth devices, but I not feel the true frequency. I check with oscilloscope, and now I am just experiment with wire out input. Just check. First, I provide here hot air, but when I feel the material are melting, so I stop the hot air and come live and share the method with you. And finally, I remove the connector. For every component you can use this method, just you need to have a knowledge about the dimensions to make a good shaped conductor like this. And this is for another component I used and I removed successfully. And this is for another component, and this shape is for another component. Today I designed this tool for capacitors, big capacitors, and this was for inductor. So keep this conductor for always using. And I have a better tip. I just purchased this tip to remove the TO 247 package MOSFETs or IGBTs, isolated gate bipolar transistor. Okay, but everyone not have their steps, so I am providing my knowledge. So just keep in mind. Okay, and this was the solder. Don't worry about this. Already we have 21 years knowledge and experience about the materials. Okay, and finally I removed the salt. Okay, first you need to have the knowledge about the temperature and the materials, and this is the dream work I am doing here. Dream works like stars, and yesterday night I look a star and I feel the frequency and the light are generating, and I feel some better moment in my life. Man, wow, it's okay, it's done. Give your review in comment section, and see you next time with another type of desoldering or soldering. And you can use this method for this type of SMD ICs, because I remove a microcontroller. Just check. I have approved in my channel to remove this type of microcontroller with this method, and you can check in my shorts. I remove this microcontroller with this method, and no any print I damage, and I have approved in my channel. You can check in my shorts, and I have knowledge about the components continuity. Just check my live streams. I have approximately 80 to 90 live streams, and I also refer the solar hybrid inverters, the world latest technology inverters. I refer in live stream, but nobody can catch my knowledge. And finally, I changed the channel name from live inverter repairing to soldering, desoldering ideas, and I feel the response, and I get some more subscribers. Just in 8 days, I found 650 subscribers to provide data, and this is a good thing. And first time I receive 11 likes. So this soldering and desoldering ideas is very good for me. And sometime when I have a mood to discuss the solar hybrid inverter again, but I already provide a lot of data, approximately continuously 4 months, and I discuss all the faults and errors, and I share all the data. And if you have an issue in your solar hybrid inverters, you can chat me with the Facebook Messenger. I have already a profile photo, and you can find me. I have a blue tag. I am verified from Meta, and you can ask me about a solar hybrid inverters. Just little bit a boy downing the shutter. Okay, that I think they down now downing. Oh man, confused. They are confused to down the shutter or not, because they are shopkeeper. Okay, brothers, if you have to provide a special tip for component, if you have a difficulties to remove the components from PCB power circuit board, just click on my profile photo. I'm talking about the YouTube channel profile photo, and you can find me in Facebook. I have already a blue tag, and with this name you cannot find any person more with the blue tag. Finally they decide to close the shop, because this is the little boys and confused to down the shutter and go home or not. And finally they decide we need to go home. And I am the madman to stay here. Now the time is here. I need to check at 40 p.m. and the people are going to home, and I am enjoying the electronics with you. Yes, man. I am very happy to talk with you, and I am just a robot, like a robot. I am from AI. This is the ASMR. The people are eating the potatoes and chips and popcorns, and they are recording the ASMR to feel the eating sound with people what they are doing, man, and what I have to do now. I found a data just this is the G and D per audio per one audio input like left negative and right negative, and here we have another channel left or right, and I provide here tags because this is the complete design. It's very good. I am very impressed by this bossy. Just check the best radiator of this company. Just check. This is the best radiator of this company. If you want to talk about the audio system, I can provide you a data about the sound systems. Okay, need to read little comments. It's well done, media. What have we used? Mycelium and electronics to design efficient cities with less traffic and interaction. Yes, man. I am to create a silence environment without background noises and feel the nature and talk about the nature like stars, moon, sun, orbits, galaxies, black hole. I feel yesterday night with friends. I just use a THC and I feel about the orbits and stars and galaxies. What the view. I look yesterday night with friends in silent environment without traffic, without any light. Just look the stars with blue sky, clean sky, and I feel very good finally. And now I am thinking about the nature, and I am very happy to feel the life, and I have a life to live, and I have some duty from creator side to provide my knowledge with other people's in live stream. If I does error, I need to show with you in live stream, and this is the real live stream. I am not live from OBS Studio or another applications to just record a video and play on OBS Studio to just do scam with people. This channel is live. I am in the live in the real time. For a little time, I just mute the mic, and now read again and I need to check and subscribe this channel activity. Go to channel. Where is your channel, man? Go to channel. I have no option. Channel activity, okay, click on this. Channel activity, it's okay. And man, I not found data to check your channel or subscribe to talk with you, but you can talk with me on Facebook Messenger. Just check. I have my Facebook in another device, and I can show you. I am a verified person. Just check. This is my profile photo, and this is my timeline. So I need to scroll up. I remove the glove because this touch cannot feel. Wow. But man, just check what I have in my timeline. Okay, I need to connect this device with the Wi-Fi. Okay, first I need to connect this with Wi-Fi. Okay, now just check. Again, scroll down, man. Scroll down. Okay, I refresh the page, and this is I am. Okay, and you can get support from my side. Man, all friend request are accepted. Okay, this is my timeline, and just check this photo. Wow. One side we have a carbon dioxide, and one side we have green energy, green renewable energy. Just check, and I have a damaged glass cell phone, but this is the brand Samsung I am using for calls. This device, this is very good. I'm using from 21.7 to 0.17. Okay, let's talk about I already share a data of this inverters, solar hybrid inverters, and we need to work to make an authority to provide license. This company are able to make electrical or electronics devices like APC American, UPS company. I discussed so many times, and this board is mine, okay, and I can damage this, but I'm not damaging. I purchased this inverter in scrap or components because sometimes we have not the component. So I am providing components, but we need to have time. Okay, I already shared full data for this type of boards, how to repair. And I purchased this inverter in scrap, and I received a true microcontroller, and I remove the microcontroller. Okay, with this scrap board I need to get another exam of me for scrap board. What is my reaction to clean this thing, this live stream? This is opportunity. On which method I remove this? I remove this successfully, or I damage the fronts. Okay, the light is now good to show you the status of these pads. Okay, little I need to use here desalting wick to clean the pads first. Okay, I set my soldering station on 320. Now I need to use this C-type tip. This is the C-type. You can purchase this with C shape. Okay, this is the C shape tip, and also good for this type of working. Okay, I need to provide my design liquid later. It's okay, it's done. Now check what the status you have. Clean with care. Okay, one more tip. Do not use this mechanism because we have direction for this and this direction also used for cleaning, not like this. If I does, this was my mistake, I learn. Okay, so I need to cut the use desoldering or soldering wick, because some people are called soldering wick and some people are called desoldering wick. So I need to call both soldering or desoldering wick. Okay, use with this direction, this mechanism. We can use mechanism or direction. Are you listening me? Or I am talking with robots? Okay, just check. And I found in my life a light with beauty, and now I am not believing on human beauty because I see a light beauty in one dream, one last dream, and after this dream I never see the beauty. Oh man, now I am just looking to stars because I can feel the same light just with starlight, not anybody, not any light.